Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. As you know, I've been on the hunt for the perfect dash camera for my cars. Well, let me tell you about this. This is the Wolfbox G900 Pro. Mounts right onto the mirror with a forward-facing 4K camera and a rear-facing 2.5K camera. This has a ton of features and might just replace your mirror on your vehicle. Let's get into this thing. Installing the G900 Pro is surprisingly easy. It straps right over your existing mirror, plugs into a 12-volt outlet or the fuse box, and you're good to go. The rear camera mounts on the rear of the window or outside the vehicle, and boom, dual camera coverage, front and rear. Let's talk about why this camera is top tier. The front camera records in 4K, the rear in 2.5K, and both are powered by high-end Sony IMX678 sensors with 8 megapixel resolution. That means crystal clear video day and night. At night, the 1 and 1.8 sensor kicks in with 2 DNR and 3 DNR noise reduction, giving you sharp, glare-free footage even in the darkest conditions. And check this out. No more fumbling with SD cards. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection and app make downloading and reviewing footage 4 times faster than the standard 2.4 GHz models. Take a picture. Voice control is built in, so your hands are on the wheel. Just say a command and it'll do the rest. The 12-inch touchscreen lets you swipe between front, rear, and split screen views. It's super responsive and makes the traditional rearview mirror feel ancient. It also includes reversing assistance, GPS tracking with speed and location data, and automatic collision detection that locks important clips during an accident. With the parking monitor wired in, the G900 becomes a 24/7 surveillance cam. Parked or driving, it's always watching. So here's my take on everything. The Wolfbox G900 Pro offers insane clarity, smart features, and full-time protection, all in one sleek package. Now for the price, it's really hard to beat. Check out these offers that are going on right now. $70 off on Wolfbox official website July 1st through the 15th with code WBBESTGEAR. Between July 8th and 11th is Amazon Prime Day. You'll receive 37% off using code PRIME900PRO. I'll drop links in the description below to check them both out. Now if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, check out the video library, and I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.